Oh, hi everyone. First time in front of the camera, so I hope it's not too much of a shock. But I think it's what everyone seems to be doing at the moment. So following the trend, let's put it that way. So we had a post put up earlier on with this black 90 you can see behind me here. And I've had a lot of inquiries about how we create the face of our Defenders. People love the really clean but slightly modern look that we put on these things. And it's something that we do to all of our Defenders that we sell, and also to clients' Defenders. If you want it done to your Defender, we can happily do it. So let's just go in a bit more detail and have a look exactly how we get the look. So first things first, we start with a brand new bumper with stainless fixings and new end caps. Secondly, we replace the lower AC grille down here with a stainless steel item, which has also got stainless rivets. And then the key thing for me is actually the headlights. We changed these for a Y-Pack crystal headlight. The reflector is built into the rear of the headlight and not on the glass, so it gives it just a fresher look. We fit a Philips sort of ultra bright bulb, and it just gives it a really crisp, smart look. All the fixings are changed for stainless steel, and everything behind this grille as well is also smartened up, because that can get really ropey back there, and it just detracts on the overall look of the Defender. And then the sort of crowning glory, icing on the cake, whatever you want to call it, is the new lettering. On this one we've gone for the black pack, so everything is Santorini black, and likewise with the lettering. So we've got the Defender lettering on there. It looks like a simple change. It really isn't. Changing that lettering is an absolute nightmare of a job, but I'm sure you'll agree it looks superb. Send us a direct message or press the contact us button, and we can talk about getting it done to your Landy. Thank you so much. Cheers, bye.